You set the car
alarm went off. Oh my god. Wow. I rev bombed in that parking garage and that car alarm went off. It's funny, but it kind of sucks. I don't want to have someone have a dead battery. I wonder how long it takes for the car alarm to just turn off automatically. Does anybody know? I'd feel bad if he like came out and his battery would be dead or whatever. Don't want that to happen to anybody. Whoa! What is going on here? I'm out. Man, that lady stopped in the HOV because of a flat tire. Come on, man. That here I am. I'm at the back of that mess. Oh, man. I'm glad that dude left me enough room on the left. Well, I don't think he did it on purpose, but that I could just get out of there. That's just a recipe for getting just murdered on the road.